Hey guys, it's Castro Boy back with another YouTube video on a WordPress plugin. Here to show you a very awesome plugin that I really enjoy and I use literally on every WordPress install I have, even on clients' websites. So this plugin is very important to me, and I think a lot of you guys will find some good use with it as well. Basically, the plugin is called 404 to start. So here I am on the install plugin screen that you guys have seen before if you've installed the plugin. And you're just going to type in 404 to start, just like you see on the screen. Search for the plugin, and you will see it come up. Usually it'll be the first one that shows up. As you see, 404 to start is already installed on my install, and I will go ahead and show you exactly how to use this and what it does. If you want to take a look at the details, you can. Basically, if you don't like the 404 page that shows up on most WordPress sites, or most themes have a 404 page that looks kind of crappy in my opinion. I don't like 404 pages. They're ugly, they're bad for SEO, and they're also confusing to users. They're not user friendly. So if someone has a link out there of your website, of a page or a post you may have deleted, or they mistyped it, then people will try to get to that and they'll end up going to a really ugly 404 page, and the user will be very confused. So what this plugin does is solve that problem for you by simply redirecting that user to your homepage, or honestly to any other URL you actually want on your install. So it's kind of cool, and I'll walk you through it, how it works, how to install it. Very simple plugin, and we're going to go ahead and get started. You guys have seen in a previous video my test site, which is here. Very basic theme, Decode theme by Scott Smith, which is a very good theme if you need one. So on this, you go to the plugin screen to make sure it's activated. 404 to start is activated, and you'll see how it works. But first, I'm going to deactivate the plugin so we can see what a 404 page looks like on this particular WordPress theme called Decode. So I know there's not a page on my WordPress site named JJI, right? So youtube.postfriendly/JJI, it's not going to be a real page. So here's what happens when we go to it. Boom. Oops, that page can't be found. It looks like nothing was found at this location. Maybe try one of the links below or search. Now I have to admit this 404 page is not as bad as most of them I've seen out there, but it's still not user-friendly, very confusing. User doesn't know what happened. They think the link was correct because they found it somewhere, or they've seen it before. Maybe there's a post they knew was there before, but now it's not because you deleted it. Well, this is confusing. So here's what you do. To go ahead and activate 404 to start, there you go. It's activated now. We're going to go to the settings menu in your WordPress install and go to 404 to start. You have some options. You can have it turned off, which is the same as deactivating the plugin, right? Or you can do 301, moved permanently, which is the best, and I suggest anyone that is using this to do what I do, which is just send all 404 errors to the beginning of your site or the home page of your site. This is what you're going to use. Always use 301, moved permanently. This is better for SEO. 302, found, moved temporarily. That's not recommended, so I wouldn't use it. Just ignore it. The other option with this plugin that's kind of cool, but I don't particularly use it, and I'll tell you why. The cool feature is the email alert. As you see, email alert 2, you can check this box here and input your email address or whatever email address you want, so that if anybody goes to a bad link on your site and gets redirected because of this plugin, you'll get an immediate email alert that says this user tried to access this link, but it wasn't successful. The reason I don't like this is because this causes a lot of emails, and I'm serious about this, because even though there's an option here to exclude search engine agents from triggering the email alert, it's not foolproof. There's a lot of bots out there that do not follow the right protocol when searching or crawling your site, and these will trigger an email alert to you if they try to find something that's not available on your site. For example, a lot of very bad malicious bots, they try to find forums to comment on. They'll try to type in your domain /forum and they'll get nowhere. And with this plugin, they'll actually get to your homepage if you don't have a forum. but that triggers a lot of email alerts that you don't need. So it's up to you, but I wouldn't use it. So then we have what URL do you want to send the people to when they get this 404 error? Okay, so I always do it as a home page. You can create a separate page that makes a nicer looking 404 if you wanted and put that here, but for this purpose we're going to do the home page, and we're going to save changes. So now that same URL, JJI, we're going to try it again, and there you go, it goes to the home page. So that works. I opened a new window on accident, but you can see it here. It goes to the home page. No more ugly 404 error page. 404 to start does amazing magic with sending them to whatever URL you want. If you wanted to do test page, just to test this out, you could do that. Put in the test page, save it. So now I'm going to go to the home page, and again, just type in a random URL that doesn't exist, and we'd be taken to the test page. So 404 to start, highly recommend. This is great for SEO, great for user friendliness. I install it on every one of my installs. So hopefully this makes sense. If you have any questions, concerns, go ahead and comment or email me at mike@castroboy.com. You can find my blog post and everything else at castroboy.com. I did create a service that actually creates WordPress sites for you. So if you ever need my help in creating a website, you can look me up on castroboy.com and find the link to my website creation services, which is wpafterdark.com. But it's linked right there on castroboy.com as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching.